So my name is Boris Zek. Today I will talk about PestiSense, our small project. I have a partner in this project, a professor from Department of Chemistry in Muğla Sıtkı Koçman University, and myself is a professor in Department of Computer Engineering in Muğla Sıtkı Koçman University. So what problem we are trying to solve? As you all know, the use of pesticides are pretty common in agriculture, and this is a family of chemicals, actually. There are herbicides, insecticides, and other chemicals that's used in agriculture. There are some health risks of these products if they stay in food or water. So the pesticide residues in food and water is a major consumer concern, including myself, due to their health implications. These products, these chemicals or their residues are testable in sophisticated labs, such as some existing in my university. So somebody can send samples and they can be tested. But these labs are not accessible to general public. Consumers really cannot access them easily. Municipalities or government organizations have better access to these tools. So we'd like to make these tools accessible to, or at least testing accessible to customers. This is pretty important because health awareness among customers are increasing, or consumers, and there are a lot of government regulations nowadays on rise around this particular topic. Our solution is rather simple. We have already a proof of concept in hand. We have a portable sensor system with two components. We have a cell phone, a smartphone application, which has a camera. We all have it. It's a household item now. And some paper strips designed to measure the chemicals existence. These chemicals, in this case, is a pesticide. Pesticides. Why our product is innovative? First of all, it will be easy. It's easiness of use because it's smartphone based and there's a paper involved, so it's rather easy to use. It's accessible for general public, so they will purchase these papers and they will download the smartphone applications, and all of a sudden it will be available for them at home as a lab setting. It's extensible to different pesticides, even different chemicals. So this is not limited to pesticides, but we can also extend it to different chemicals if we can get the platform in place. The pesticide family is a rather large family, so we can even extend to different pesticide types going forward. It's portable as the colorimetric papers are small in size and light, so you can move them in bulk amounts around, so there's no problem there. Capacity to quantify, so this is not a simply yes, it contains pesticide residue, or no, it does not contain pesticide residue kind of metric we are measuring, actually using a color scale, the amount of pesticide. Some pesticide residues may be tolerable. At least we will know actually how much pesticide residue there exists in a given product, food or water. Our target customer, as it's implicitly stated so far, is general consumers. So anyone who goes to a store or a pazar in Turkey that wants to shop for a food, who can use this product. Agricultural producers, for different reasons, may want to use these products. Agricultural product inspectors, for obvious reasons, they want to make sure the product they are purchasing are not pesticide full. Food processing plants, same reason with the agricultural product inspectors may want to use it, and they don't want to use the lab setting because this product will have a faster testing environment, and more due to practical nature and its extensibility that we cannot foresee right now are possible. Our revenue model will have two components to it. One of them is the product itself. So we will have a smartphone application. At this point, we don't plan to sell it for a fee. It will be free. But the colorimetric papers, which they change their colors by the kind of density of the pesticide residue, will be our proprietary product, and it will be designed for certain pesticides, and these pesticides will be prioritized by their commonality. It will be sold, so we will sell these products. The other revenue model could be the intellectual property. After all, we are designing these papers. We are embedding chemicals that will react with the pesticides on them. There is a technology development here. We can license this product to third parties for massive production. So that could be yet another revenue model for this product, PestiSense. Where are we right now? We are academicians. So what we did is we developed a prototype smartphone application embedded with some machine learning and image processing algorithms that can quantify color scales based on the density of existence of a pesticide. In this case, we picked a certain insecticide. So we are not talking about all the pesticides, one proof of concept insecticide. We developed a paper-based colorimetric sensors for this particular insecticides. What we did is actually we immobilized some biological molecules on a paper and monitor their interaction with insecticides and the color change. So we can read this color change by this cell phone or smartphone. And finally, we have a unique design for a colorimetric paper base, which will allow it to be extensible for other products without need of notifying the device that the product has changed. So there's a unique design. We are planning to file a patent for that. So we are nowhere in commercialization stage at this point. And the reason I am here actually is to get some guidance from you on how we can commercialize it, how we can move forward, and possibly some funding. Our team consists of two parts, actually. It's an interdisciplinary project. We have a team that I kind of lead from Department of Computer Engineering. I have a graduate student, Erdem Türk, who participates in this project. We also have a chemistry arm. Ülkü Anık, Professor Ülkü Anık, which is on the call today, also is a part of team. She has a graduate student, works on the same project. So it's a interdisciplinary project that we brought. If this becomes a larger product, obviously we will have more people to work on this one. But at this proof of concept step, we have only this team in hand. Again, thank you for listening. And just to explicitly state why I'm here for the excitement of this event. Actually, I met Gert a couple of months ago. I wanted to experience this event as I proposed this idea, and Gert said this is applicable. So I'm here to present my idea, but also experience. This is a great event for Muğla, at least. And then the other thing is, so far we are struggling with how to commercialize or how to put this in the market. Actually, I think it's a useful tool. So I want some guidance from you folks on how we can proceed. And finally, we are looking for funding mechanisms. We have already applied to a couple of government agencies to fund this activity, but we are open to other funding resources to go forward with this product.